Right, so I'm just on my way to pick one of the team members up. We've got 3 vehicles out today, so we're all going to meet up at the unit, get all of our tools together, and then off to the first installation of the day. We've got 2 today, so keep watching. The second one's for someone that a lot of you will recognise, so it should be cool. Catch you up soon. Hi everyone, thanks for watching today's video. Today we've got 2 installations, so we're off to Colindale first of all to do a supermarket basement, and then we're off to Surrey to do an installation for a VIP that some of you might recognise, so keep watching.
Hi guys, welcome. We're at the first job. This is a basement for a supermarket. As you can see, they've got all their stock in here, but as we can go, we can move the stock around. So there's no downtime for the customer.
First job done. We've used our graphite tiles, a lot of stuff to move in here for the guys, but it's all done and everything's back in place, so they'll no longer have to be walking dust from here upstairs to the supermarket. So that's it, the first job's all finished. Now we've just had to quick change of vehicle, grab one more team member, and we're off to the second job in Surrey. We're going to meet the guys from JS Electrical, who we do a lot of work with over there, and they're going to be helping us out with some hexagon lighting as well, so stay tuned. Got to the second job. We're now doing a small industrial unit for Dapper Laugh's new beer company, Laugh's Beer. Make sure you check them out. This is going to be a red and black floor, so keep watching. Also got the boys here from JS Electrical today. They're putting up some hexagon lights for Dapper as well. We'll do a lot of work with these guys. That's it, all finished. We're just going to get a picture with the boys. We just hit 50,000 followers on Instagram, so thanks to everyone who follows us. Just going to get those pictures, clean up, and we'll show you the finished job.
Massive shout out to the boys at Garage Style. They've done my little home gym and done such a great job. I've got them down to the hub, the Laugh's Beer hub, and they've done this wicked flooring. It's looking very sexy. Thank you very much for coming and doing it. I love it!
Right, that's the second job of the day done for Dapper. We just got back to the unit. The guys are just unloading all of the tools and getting ready for next week's installations. Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe to see next week's video.